Hello and welcome. Won't it be great if we can browse through the recommendations that Amazon has recommended for you? Well, in today's video, we're gonna see how we can view the recommendations of Amazon. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So once you're in a phone, Amazon app, open it and make sure you are signed in. After that, you will have a home page similar to this one. Now, if you go to this profile avatar at the bottom section, if you click on it, you have your account section in here. Alright, so let's select it. If you scroll down, keep on scrolling until you find personalized content. Alright, and the second option is your recommendations. Let's go there. So here we have top picks for you. These are our recommendations from Amazon. Now you know how to view recommendations on Amazon app. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.